joining. So like I said earlier, this is our second assignment. All right, I was zooming. So this is our second assignment. So what we are talking about here is Upright. So you build a technical guide for Upright. So in this task, you write a technical guide about Upright. So I would like to see the following topics in the content. One, the Upright introduction. Introduce what they do or who they are. Now, talk about the installation process, how someone can install Upright on their system. Now when you install it, you see their services. So you also now talk about the Upright services. So, just not like you explain, you probably list and okay, I would say explain, but not in depth. Just this one does this one does this. So somebody will understand the different services they have and what they do. Now, you also now go in depth with one of the services. So which is, like I stated here, show how to work with that service. So I'm not giving you a particular service to pick. So you choose the one you think you're okay with, then you make sure you go in depth in a way to help a total beginner. Now, you also now write about why Upright and Upright versus competitors. So you will now browse and check for their competitors. I don't know, you should know when you start working on this project. So check for their competitors and list their competitors. Now, what you're doing there is you're trying to let people know that this is what Upright have, this is what these people don't have. Now, like I said, competitors, which means I would like to see at least 2 or 3. So let me add it here. All right, so I would like to see 2 or 3 competitors. So I don't want to see something over. I don't want to see 1 here. So I want to see like 2 or 3. So look for, in short, let's say 3 or 4. So 3 to 4 is fine by me. So starting from 3, you can say, okay, let me work with only 3, fine. If you want to work with only 4, fine. If you want to work with 5, that's also fine. So then the next one is any other relevant information you wish to add. Looking at the docs or looking at their projects, you can probably think, okay, I think something needs to be added here. Maybe this information, if I add it in this guide, it will help people understand it. I don't know what you want to add. Now, add it, whatever. But if you think there is nothing else to add outside what I listed here, then it's fine. Okay, then you add your conclusion. Now, the article should have the following: arrange the order of the content. So if you think the order of this content is fine, so if you think the order of this content is fine, you can follow this step. But if you think there are areas that need to be rearranged, then do it. Attention to details, just like the first assignment. Make sure, I don't want to see grammatical errors anywhere, anyhow. I want to make sure everything is fine and well placed. Since you've learned how to add images, how to take screenshots, how to add those focus lines with the numbers on them that will help people probably know what to do. Make sure you add all that. Any information that needs to be seen by any user that wants to use Upright for the very first time, add it. It will be very cool. Now, work on the information architecture. It should be over 1,000 words. Fine. No plagiarism, proper citation, no grammatical or spelling error, no repetitive words. Use Google Style Guide. So must have necessary images and use any writing platform of your choice. So this time around is not GitHub. So you can use Medium, Hashnote, Dev.to, or any other writing platform of your choice. Now, shared, sorry for that, I will remove it. Okay, so that's it. So when you're done, you would submit. And we know how to submit that. So that's it, guys. So any question? Okay. Any question?
I have a question, sir.